Are you ready to revolutionize your ride and turn heads wherever you go? Today, we're diving into the top 5 best electric trikes that combine insane power, futuristic design, and unbeatable performance. Whether you crave speed, comfort, or jaw-dropping style, these trikes are game changers. Don't blink, because missing even one could cost you the ultimate ride of your life. So let's play! Number 7. Verabus SC5 Fat Tire Electric Tricycle is a total game changer for riders. Its robust 500-watt motor delivers 20 miles per hour on throttle and 24 miles per hour with pedal assist effortlessly. Enjoy up to 65 miles of pedal assist range or 38 miles on throttle for long adventures. Fat 20 by 3-inch puncture-resistant tires and front suspension fork ensure a smooth, comfortable ride on any terrain. The low step-through aluminum frame is strong, stylish, and easy to mount. A huge rear basket with a 110-pound capacity handles groceries or cargo easily. Mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. Oversized comfort seat with backrest keeps you relaxed. Backlit LCD with Bluetooth, LED lights, electric horn, and 7-speed Shimano gears offer ultimate convenience. Perfect for daily commutes, errands, or weekend rides. Number 6. Addmotor E-325 is a powerhouse electric tricycle built for comfort, convenience, and performance. It features a 750-watt rear hub motor with 1,400-watt peak power and 90 Newton-meter torque for effortless rides. Cruise smoothly up to 25 kph with 7 pedal assist levels and throttle control. Its 48-volt 20-amp-hour UL-certified battery delivers an impressive 105-kilometer range per charge. The low-step aluminum frame, fat tires, and hydraulic disc brakes guarantee stability and safety on all terrains. Carry up to 550 pounds in the large, weatherproof rear basket. Enjoy added convenience with a sun and rain canopy, monochrome LCD display, and easy-to-use 7-speed gears. Perfect for commuting, shopping, or adventure rides. Dash. Number 5. 630 Easy Transit Electric Tricycle delivers power, comfort, and style like no other. Equipped with a 750-watt motor and 48V 13-amp battery, it easily reaches 15 miles per hour electric only, or 28 miles per hour in pedal assist mode. Its 17-inch aluminum folding frame supports 350 pounds, with a low step-over height for effortless mounting. Shimano 7-speed gears, front and rear disc brakes, and 16-inch Kenda tires ensure smooth, safe rides. The oversized comfort seat, rear folding basket, high-powered LED headlight, and color-matched fenders add convenience and flair. A crystal-clear display, thumb throttle, and reverse gear enhance control. With 18 to 60 miles range, this trike is perfect for urban commuting and fun adventures. Number 4. Rad Powerbikes Rad Trike is a powerful and versatile electric tricycle. Featuring a 750-watt front hub motor, it reaches speeds up to 14 miles per hour effortlessly. Its 48V 10-amp-hour removable battery delivers an impressive range of up to 55 miles. Pedal assist with 5 levels and a responsive throttle ensures smooth, customizable riding. Built from durable SCM 415 steel and 1430 chromoly, it supports riders from 4'10" to 6'4" with a 415 pounds payload. Kenda 20x3 front and 18-inch rear tires provide excellent traction and stability. Front disc and rear coaster brakes guarantee reliable stopping power. The integrated headlight boosts nighttime visibility, while the 60 pounds rear rack adds convenient storage. Lightweight, Foldable and stylish, the Rad Trike offers unmatched comfort and freedom for long-distance or urban rides. Perfect for anyone seeking adventure, safety, and efficiency. Number 3. Lectric XP Trike is a game changer for fun, comfort, and power. Its 500 watts and 750 watt motors deliver thrilling speed and effortless acceleration. The 48-volt battery provides up to 70 miles of long-range adventure on a single charge. Hydraulic disc brakes with dual parking brakes ensure maximum safety every ride. The rear differential guarantees smooth and precise turns. Enjoy 5 pedal assist levels and a half-twist throttle for ultimate control. Large 29-inch Maxxis tires, suspension fork, and suspension seat post deliver unmatched comfort on any terrain. Foldable design and 75-pound cargo rack make storage and errands easy. Supporting riders up to 415 pounds, this trike combines style, performance, and versatility perfectly. Number 2. Meetone Breeze Pro is the ultimate folding electric tricycle for adults. Its powerful 1,200-watt motor reaches 22 miles per hour effortlessly on all terrains. Enjoy up to 100 miles per charge with a 48-volt, 20 Ah removable battery. The trike features a reverse gear, rear differential, and triple hydraulic brakes for maximum safety. With 4-inch wide fat tires, semi-recumbent ergonomic seat, and 450-pound total load capacity, it's perfect for seniors and mobility-impaired riders. Dual front and rear baskets, cruise control, and electric horn make daily rides convenient. Additional anti-backflip wheels and handlebar mirrors enhance stability. UL certified, foldable, and long-lasting, this trike combines comfort, power, and style flawlessly. Its hydraulic front suspension and shock-absorbing seat ensure smooth rides everywhere. Number 1. Mooncool electric tricycle for adults redefines convenient and stylish commuting. Its durable 6061 aluminum frame ensures strength and long-lasting performance. Powered by a 500-watt motor with rear speed differential, it guarantees smooth rides without startup slippage. The 48-volt, 14.5 amp-hour removable battery provides 35 to 45 miles per charge. Its foldable design allows effortless portability and storage in tight spaces. Spacious front and rear baskets offer ample storage for groceries or daily essentials. Certified for safety and quality, this electric trike combines reliability, power, and practicality. Perfect for adults seeking comfort, style, and eco-friendly mobility, it elevates every journey. In conclusion, these best electric trikes combine style, power, and convenience, making them perfect for every rider. Whether for commuting or leisure, they're changing the way we ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay updated with more exciting reviews.